Okay, this is Mike Franklin, the property tax guy. Today we're going to review a new feature on the website. Are you a victim of the Welcome Stranger Law? So there's a tab, Welcome Stranger Law up top, and basically, uh, we want to know if you recently purchased a property within the last few years, and then subsequently the assessment was raised to meet the what you purchased the property for. An example we use here is, say you purchased the property for 500,000, but it had been previously assessed at 300,000, and next thing you know, after you buy it, the assessment is raised to 500,000 or thereabouts. If something like that happens, it's quite possible that the assessor has violated the Welcome Stranger Law. And if he or she did, then you may be eligible for a reduction in your assessment. And so, sometimes, common sense would lead to believe what you paid for something, may be a good indication to what it may be worth. But if the other properties are that have not sold, if they are assessed at a certain level, and they're likely to sell for more money, and yet they're assessed for less, well, that wouldn't be fair to you. That would be an unequal assessment. And so if that is the case, we need to take a look at it and see if that is what in fact is transpiring. So there's two figures that you can argue. The excessive assessment is when you can't sell your property for what they have it assessed for. So if the assessment is higher than what it is you could sell for, that would be excessive. Or if your property is, even if it's assessed for approximately what you'd sell for, but if everybody else is assessed for less and they would likely sell for more if they put it on the market, that would be unequal. So you have two opportunities to argue: excessive and unequal. And if the assessor changes your selectively, singles you out because of your recent purchase, and raises your assessment without making adjustment to others, you may have an argument, and we can help you do that. And this phenomenon, can happen, particularly with second and third homes in upstate New York, where assessments haven't changed for years, and they may have a propensity to to put the tax burden on the newcomers who are perceived to be rich, and it's been determined that is not appropriate. So the burden of proof is on the taxpayer, so you have to overcome the decision of the assessor. But if you can substantiate that that's what happened, that they, just coincidentally, your assessment just happened to go up to what you paid for it, we can look into it and see if that was done properly. If it wasn't done properly, then you have a strong argument. This is Mike Franklin. I'm the property tax guy. ThePropertyTaxGuy.com. If you have an issue such as this, give me a call. There's a very good chance I'll be able to resolve the matter for you. ThePropertyTaxGuy.com. Thank you.